Rainwater as a resource in urban areas. A challenge in collaboration with Urban Water Systems Research Group. Climate change brings along more intense and longer-lasting rainfalls. At the same time, cities are becoming more densely built and the urban landscape is mostly covered with watertight surfaces. Therefore, urban areas are open to stormwater flooding. Urban flooding itself is obviously a problem, but climate change may also make the dry and hot periods more extreme. Heat-absorbing materials like concrete and asphalt, widely spread in the cities, then cause heat islands. Additionally, precious drinking water is used for watering plants and greenery. Rainwater could provide relief, but is always quickly removed from the city. Getting water off the streets is only one side of the problem. The challenge is to take use of the valuable resource that is the rainwater. So on the one hand, we have excessive rainwater flowing on our streets that we want to get rid of as fast as possible. And on the other hand, we are using precious clean water from the tap to water plants, fill our pools, and flush our toilets. New business opportunities can be found in novel technical solutions, planning, or educating. Smart parks, maps, apps, or trainings. What is your solution? Your innovation will help make the urban environment more sustainable and livable. Thank you.